Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today I have a mystery box for you from Chalice Collectibles. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you hit the like button? If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on that notification button so you can get notified when I upload another mystery box unboxing. Now let's move along to this unboxing. Alright, so which one should we start with first? How about this one in the middle? Azula, number 542. This is a pop animation from the animated series Avatar: The Last Airbender. Number 397. This is a Pop Heroes from the animated series Batman. Alexis Rose, number 1169. It's a pop television from the TV series Schitt's Creek. Here's the second mystery box. Let's find out if there's a grail in here. Luffy Taro, number 921. This is a pop animation from the animated series One Piece. Number 972. This is a pop animation from the animated series Hunter x Hunter. Anakin Skywalker, number 281. This is a pop Star Wars. I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? That last mystery box was pretty dope. Let's find out if I got a grail in this third mystery box. Twice, Number 1093. Another pop animation from the animated series My Hero Academia. Doppelganger Spider-Man. Number 961. This is a pop Marvel and it's metallic.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you?
Michael Jordan, number 126. This is a pop basketball from the greatest team in the 90s, the Chicago Bulls. Are you ready for the fourth mystery box, YouTube? Let's go! Black Adam, number 348. This is a Big Apple collection exclusive, and it glows in the dark. It's a pop heroes from DC Superheroes. Himiko Toga, number 610. This is a pop animation from the animated series My Hero Academia. Black Panther, number 891. This is a pop Marvel Studios Black Panther. Here is the last mystery box for today. Ichigo, number 1087. Wow, we've got a lot of pop animations today. From the animated series Bleach. And it's a AAA anime exclusive. Inosuke Hashibira, number 1090. It's a pop animation from the animated series Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. And it's an exclusive from Box Lunch. Notorious B.I.G. with Crown, number 82. It's a pop rock. Alright, YouTube, well, that's all the pops I have for you today. Which one was your favorite? My favorite is the Notorious B.I.G. with crown. Check out my Instagram and find out why. The link is down in the description. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace! Oh, but hold up, check out these 2 episodes.